Hello, this is Jason from iJDMTOY back with an update for our Subaru AC control knob rings. In our previous video on how to install the control knob covers, I discussed its fitment and a new configuration coming soon. So what we've done is redesigned the AC knob covers by widening the diameter to fit both the newer black knobs and the older silver knobs. But as you can see, while the rings now fit the black knobs, it's loose fitting in the silver knobs. Our solution for the loose fit over the silver knobs is to apply the double-sided tape included. Lay it along the inner walls of the AC knob covers like so. Once applied, peel off the strip to reveal the adhesive. Install the control knobs as usual. The AC control knob covers will now fit the silver knobs with the double-sided tape, as well as the black knobs without it.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like us on Facebook for news and updates and visit us at iJDMTOY.com. Thank you.